Are Chinese products destroying your profit margins? Are high import duties making Indian manufacturing uncompetitive? There's a legal way to match Chinese pricing with superior quality. Meet MOOWR, India's best-kept manufacturing secret. With MOOWR import machinery completely duty-free. No export obligations, no minimum investment limits. Here's the game changer. Import raw materials without paying customs duties. Only pay when selling domestically. This beats Chinese pricing instantly. Chinese manufacturers get cheap government-subsidized raw materials. MOOWR gives you the same advantage. Import steel, chemicals, components duty-free. Save 20 to 30% on input costs. Your manufacturing costs drop to Chinese levels while maintaining superior Indian quality and faster local delivery. A food company we serviced saved 5 crore rupees in the first year. Another manufacturer imported 18 crores machinery duty-free. A 100% domestic sales, zero export pressure. Here's your secret weapon. Chinese companies cannot match local advantages. Zero shipping costs to customers. Better service, no language barriers, faster response times. MOOWR plus local advantages equals Chinese pricing with Indian reliability and trust. Application takes 30 days. Set up bonded warehouse at existing facility. Import duty-free, manufacture, sell competitively. Government supports this through Make in India. MOOWR is your weapon against Chinese dumping. Don't let Chinese imports kill your business. Contact us to transform your manufacturing costs within 90 days. Beat Chinese pricing while supporting Indian manufacturing. Make in India, compete globally.